Hey everybody, did you know that we sell spray glue and adhesive for under your manufactured home? Because if you have a hole in your rodent barrier, it lets cold air in the winter above your blanket. So when you have a little hole like this, we recommend using spray adhesive like so, and some 4-inch tape. This is specially designed tape to go underneath your manufactured home. It's made by the same manufacturer that makes the rodent barrier that your house originally came with. So this stuff that we're using today is 4-inch wide. It's got a backing on it, and it's also available in 6, and I think we have it in 2 foot wide, so you can do a big patch with it as a sticker. We also sell the fabric, so it's a little tricky to get it undone, but that's good. So it's got this paper backing, and we're going to be using the 4-inch wide here. So the spray glue's on there, it's tacking up, it's drying. Once it's set up, then you just take this paper off the back side of your your 4-inch wide tape, and you line it up there and just slowly work it across to put the seam back together for where somebody has access underneath your house. So now when the weather's cold, like it has been, the cold air doesn't get above your insulation and give you cold spots in the floor and in your house and make your heater work more. So make sure that if you have a plumber or electrician or any other work done underneath your manufactured home, you can have them seal up the holes after it's done, something like so. And that is sealed up, ready for the cold air.